Whoa, dude! Whoa! Whoa!
How's it?
Wow, that's amazing. Well, that's good, dude. I don't think he swallowed it. I'm just waiting for him to swallow. Swallow, boy. Swallow 4. Ooh. Yes, you got it, you got it, you got it. You got him, you got him. You've got him. Is
Oh
he
no,
on?
it's off. Oh no, he's on.
No, he's on, he's on, he's on. It's on. There's it.
Oh no, fuck, no, that's reels.
He's on? Go, go, go.
Look how far he's gone already.
Go, 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 go. Go, dude, go, go. Get him on. Go, 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 go. He's coming. He's not that far. It's a nice...
He's pulling.
Dude. Yeah, wow, that's cool, eh? Pull him, pull him, pull him, pull him. Well.
I've got a feeling it's going to come out. It's a very small hook.
Just keep him tight. Just keep it tight. Just keep it tight on him. Stay. Come, take it. Good shot on that little bit live bait, dude.
Yeah.
Half live bait. Yo, where's he? He's down there.
It's got power.
He's there.
This is a monster, boy.
Yeah. Gotta get the glove. Where's the glove?
Yeah, get the glove. If you can grab him by the tail.
Yeah. Check this out. Where's he going to?
He's trying to swim away there.
Okay. Bring him.
He's a bus, bro.
I can see him here. Look at that. Oh, he's a big boy.
He's gonna run now.
Yeah. Oh, dude, well done. Look at that. Huge. Look at that. Oh. He's pulling it. Oh, he's going. Oh, nice. Okay, dude, if you get... Oh, he is huge.
Okay, I'm gonna bring him past you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna grab him.
Just grab him by the tail if you can.
He's there. Dude, that thing is huge. Fuck. It's a big boy, bro. Look at that boy. Look at the teeth on that thing, bro.